In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join objects in Tinkercad quickly and easily using the built-in group tool. If you've ever wanted to combine multiple shapes into one solid model, this is the exact method you need. It's simple, beginner-friendly, and it works whether you are designing for 3D printing, school projects, or just experimenting with different shapes in Tinkercad. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Let's get started. First, open your Tinkercad project and make sure all the shapes you want to join are already placed on the work plane. To begin merging them, you need to select the items. You can do this in two ways. The first way is to click and drag your mouse to draw a selection box around all the shapes you want to combine. The second way is to hold down the Shift key and click each shape one by one until everything you want is selected. This is especially useful if your shapes are spread out or if you only want to select specific parts of your design. Once your shapes are selected, look toward the top right area of the toolbar. There you will find the group icon. This is the tool that joins multiple shapes into a single object. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+G if you want a faster way to do it. After you click Group, Tinkercad will instantly combine the selected shapes together. You'll notice that the shapes change to a single color, which tells you they are now treated as one solid piece. That means the objects have been successfully joined. If you need to undo it, you can always press Ctrl+C, but if everything looks right, your model is now grouped and ready to use. This is a very important step in Tinkercad because grouping helps you build cleaner designs and makes it easier to move, duplicate, or resize multiple parts at once. It also helps when preparing a model for 3D printing because you can combine separate pieces into one finished shape. So just remember the process. Select the shapes, click Group, and confirm that they turn into one object. It really is that easy. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.